Alright, I'm doing my week 3 building construction over the line of duty death in Colerain in 2008. In 2008, Colerain Township, Ohio experienced 2 tragic line of duty deaths. What happens to the structure where the floor collapsed when the firefighter fell into the basement and succumbed to the fire? The focus on this assignment is a lightweight construction and how quick floor collapse can occur, and try to incorporate science into this discussion. Okay, so what I've read and observed in this report about the structure is that the 2x10 floor joists above the seat of the fire gave out within approximately 18 minutes after the call was received that the fire has started. To me, this shows that lightweight, ordinary construction can give out in strong to average fire conditions in a relatively quick amount of time, which can pose a large threat to firefighters entering or exiting the fire structure. Where the floor gave out, where the firefighters fell through the main floor of the structure, it proves that the treated lumber that was used to support this ordinary constructed building gave out underneath them, and that poses a threat to all firefighters and can kill us or severely injure us. So we must stay aware of the type of structure we are entering and what the supports of the structure is and the stability of the structure. We must also understand when we enter the structure where the seat of the fire is relative to our location, and be aware we might be over or around where the seat of the fire is. The reason I believe the fire conditions rendered the stability of the structure is because the rapid growth caught up to the strength of the building very quickly, and therefore the building succumbed to the fire conditions. One thing that also was a major factor is that they found that the gas line was not fully connected, so that was an added accelerant due to the natural gas leaking. This could have caused the floor joist to succumb to the fire conditions more rapidly, because natural gas would act as an accelerant to the fire load and give off more intense heat and flame due to the added chemicals. To me, I believe that as firefighters we need to understand the type of structure we're going into, what the support is, and the stability of the structure overall, and what it can entail for us in all fire conditions, and must recognize if there's a walkout or not, and understand that on a basement fire the stairs act like a chimney.